Chainsaws become essential tools for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts seeking efficiency and precision in cutting wood. The demand for budget-friendly options under $200 has grown, offering a balance of power, safety, and portability. This guide evaluates.
List 1. The Oregon 2400-watt corded electric chainsaw is a powerhouse for homeowners and DIYers seeking efficiency without spending over $200. Its 18-inch guide bar allows cutting through medium to large branches with ease, while the self-sharpening chain maintains peak performance and reduces maintenance time. The powerful 2400-watt motor ensures smooth operation, and the ergonomic handle provides a secure grip for better control. Safety features, including a chain brake and low kickback design, protect the user during operation. Lightweight yet robust, the Oregon electric chainsaw is ideal for trimming, pruning, and general yard maintenance, offering a perfect balance between affordability and professional-level performance. List number. The CEEPUY mini cordless chainsaw is perfect for quick and easy cutting tasks at home or in the garden. Its 6-inch blade is ideal for small branches, pruning, and woodworking projects. Being cordless, it offers portability and convenience without being tethered to an outlet. Automatic chain lubrication ensures smooth performance and extended chain life, reducing maintenance. Lightweight and compact, it fits comfortably in one hand, making it ideal for precise cuts in tight spaces. This mini chainsaw combines convenience, safety, and affordability, making it a practical choice for homeowners looking for a versatile, budget-friendly tool under $200. List number. The Seesii mini chainsaw delivers convenience and portability for everyday cutting tasks. Its 6-inch blade is suitable for trimming branches, cutting firewood, and DIY projects. Lightweight and ergonomic, the cordless design allows users to maneuver freely without fatigue. The high-speed chain ensures smooth and efficient cutting, while built-in safety features, including a handguard and chain brake, enhance user protection. With easy battery replacement and minimal maintenance, the Seesii mini chainsaw is perfect for casual users and beginners seeking a reliable, budget-friendly option for light to medium-duty cutting tasks.
List number 4. The Tietoc Mini Electric Chainsaw is a compact, battery-powered tool designed for versatility and ease of use. Its 6-inch blade makes it perfect for pruning, trimming, and small woodworking tasks. The cordless design provides freedom of movement, while the lightweight construction reduces fatigue during extended use. A built-in safety mechanism ensures chain operation only when intended, preventing accidents. The battery charges quickly, allowing for multiple cutting sessions without downtime. Ideal for home gardeners, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts, the Tietoc Mini Chainsaw offers portability, safety, and reliable performance, all under $200.
List 5. The mini cordless chainsaw kit is designed for convenience, safety, and portability. Its 6-inch blade allows for precise cuts on branches, wood, and small logs. One-hand operation makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, while the upgraded motor delivers consistent cutting performance. Lightweight and ergonomic, it minimizes user fatigue, and the battery-powered design ensures freedom of movement. Safety features, including automatic chain lubrication and a protective handguard, make it a practical choice for homeowners and DIYers. This mini chainsaw offers a compact, efficient, and budget-friendly solution for all small cutting tasks under $200.